Welcome to the Arkansas PBS studios. I'm Ija Rogers.
And I'm Tiffany Head. We've got some exciting events in store for you this June.
The Arkansas PBS education team will be hitting the road this summer hosting Read to Succeed events for families. Join us for a meal, a fun activity, and an educational kit to take home. It's a great way to kick off summer learning and to pass on the love of reading. Check out the events page on our website for events near you.
On Thursday, June 19th, join Mosaic Templars Cultural Center for their official Juneteenth Day celebration, which will include a special screening of the Arkansas PBS short film, Wilmar June Dinner. Then come back Saturday, June 21st for a full day of live music, food, vendors, and family fun. Learn more at myarpbs.org/events.
Travel back through time with an exciting reimagining of the iconic BBC series Walking with Dinosaurs. Each episode will tell the dramatic story of an individual dinosaur whose remains are currently being unearthed by the world's leading dinosaur hunters. Gather your entire family for Dinosaur Week, coming to Arkansas PBS starting June 16th at 7 p.m.
If you're starting to consider your estate plans or seeking a refresher on the topic, don't miss our free Lunch and Learn workshop this June. Learn the basics of estate planning and enjoy lunch on us. Learn more at myarpbs.org/events.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to connect with us on social media. You'll find us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and X.
Thank you for being a part of our Arkansas PBS community. We'll see you again next month.